This puzzle may look fairly simple as it's only 5 pieces and you just have to find a way to fit all of these pieces into the frame. If we start off with this piece over here, we can use this piece up top, then we can fit this piece in over here, and finally this piece over here. But that's only one solve of the puzzle. There's actually a second solve of this puzzle where you have to still add a square in the frame with barely any space available to fit this square into the frame. To get the no-fit premium puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. So instead, take out all of the pieces and we have to think about it in a different way to where we can add more space to the frame just by rearranging these pieces. If we start off with this triangle up top, you can see it's slightly larger than the other triangle. Then we can take this triangle and flip it in over here. And now it looks like it's coming to a similar spot where we had it before, as there's not much space left open in the frame. We can fit this piece in up here, but it leaves a perfect amount of space to fit this last square into the frame.